This is just a look at and description. HDX 18-inch x 18-inch multi-purpose microfiber cloth 18-pack. Cost, $8.99. Purchase at Home Depot. Each value pack contains 18 individual towels designed to be used on floors, countertops, and glass surfaces. Can be used wet or dry. Product overview. HDX Brand Banner. Dusting cloth, dusting towel, microfiber dusting cloth, microfiber dusting towel, microfiber cloth for all surfaces, microfiber cleaning cloth, microfiber towels, microfiber cleaning towels, reusable microfiber cloth, washable microfiber cloth, reusable microfiber cleaning towel, washable microfiber cleaning cloth, lint-free cloth, lint-free towel, microfiber cleaning cloth, microfiber towels, microfiber cleaning towels, multipack cleaning cloths, multipack cleaning towels. Dimensions. HDX microfiber towels are super soft and lint-free, so they are safe on all surfaces. The extra large size is great for those extra tough jobs. The unique design of microfiber lifts and traps dirt and dust like a magnet. No chemicals needed. Use damp for cleaning, wet for heavily soiled areas, and dry for dusting. These 18 inches x 18 inches cloths are machine washable, allowing for several uses. The pack quantity ensures that you always have a towel around when you need one. Use wet or dry to trap and lift dirt, dust, and grime. Great for countertops, floors, glass, furniture, and more. Washable and reusable. Size, 18 inches. X 18-inch specifications. Dimensions. Product length, in. Product width, in. Details. Cleaning tool type, microfiber cloth. Color, orange/white color family. Multicolored features. Absorbs moisture. Machine washable, reusable, washable material. Microfiber.
I got this at Home Depot. It was on special. The price will be below. I like it. I really like it. I actually purchased it because I had a gift card from them for, I don't know if it was from a friend or I got it on some kind of promotional thing, but I know I had it in my wallet. I purchased it because you can never have enough microfiber. I use these for everything, anything delicate. You know, now that we all have, you know, we can have 5-10 screens in our home. And that includes phones and TVs and stuff. You need a microfiber cloth. You just need it. And it does a really good job. All microfibers I find do a really good job. I don't use any substance besides water. I'll tip the edges with water just a little bit and kind of put it together, the microfiber cloth. This is another one I have. I buy them as often as I could whenever I get a deal. Because sometimes if they get too dirty, I just don't even bother and I just throw them away. I don't bother cleaning them. I'll just have them recycled. So I put a little bit wet here and I'll do this just to make sure it's not too wet. And then kind of just get everything kind of humid or mildly wet. And then I can rub the screen and it just comes out beautiful. No scratches, no nothing. So this is just a look at and an explanation as to why I get them. I love these things. I can never have enough microfibers. They're great for certain other things, you know, household goods, certain utensils or certain items in the kitchen that you don't want, anything you don't want scratched, microfibers do a great job. All right, I hope you liked the video. I hope it helps. Thank you. Bye.